first.
I'm trying to limit my color scheme and it's not
This
working.
is upside down, apparently. Your color scheme?
There's no way to reasonably limit
Oh, this
what I
is
have.
what this deck is. Okay. Am I going first?
Like,
Sure, and I can't keep that hand.
Should I keep it? That'd be pretty funny, but no. Actually, fuck it, I'll keep it. Janky Mc... Okay, let's go. When in doubt, toss 5 to play Camel Knot. I get a dark card, by the way.
I'm just missing ice and dark.
It's your turn, by the way. Does that be a forward?
Nope.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, I should probably
I
shuffle.
either want to
I don't like these sleeves, they're so sticky.
I think I lose.
cut
What?
out and then pile more
It's
in the
turn
way of
1.
lightning,
Wait, where did they... What?
You drop.
or
Did I drop a chaos out of
Yeah.
the deck? That is so cool.
Do you want to know why I
wanna
think I
cut out-
lose? This is my hand.
pile more
I don't
into
care.
this,
I probably should have played chaos onto the field, but I couldn't, so... Wait, can I?
and pile more into
Oh,
this.
yeah. I'm gonna play chaos on the field main
Okay.
phase too. I kind of
Or
forgot that that's a thing.
those two are
I'll get rid
balanced.
of this one.
Why main phase
No.
2? It can still be main phase 1. You didn't attack
Okay.
or anything.
I don't know.
He's still going main phase 2.
Main phase 2. Maybe you have backup
Okay.
destruction. Okay,
I
well,
wanna
but
make the card
that's cool.
economy
That's your starting
easier
hand.
because
This is
so far
mine.
I'm noticing that I'm just pulling all the colors as
Have fun.
ones,
Yeah.
and it's impossible to work with that kind of hand.
Have fun.
So I either need to cut out 2 colors or figure out what exactly
There we
I'm
go.
doing, because Cosmos is not enough to balance this.
Another card.
After you.
Ooh, cool beans. What do I get?
Material doesn't want to do
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, cut out fire.
We're gonna
Those two are the
toss
weakest
both
links
those
out of all of them.
cockatrices. Tap that to play Star Sybil. Category 9.
I sadly have no choice.
Jeez.
I liked the Earth while it was there, but
Is it 9?
just
Oh, it's 11.
not enough emphasis
he's
on
Earth,
Earth.
by the
It's
way.
either
Yeah.
I do that.
After you.
or
Oh, wait,
I
wait.
take all
Swing.
of my
Swing.
wind and
Swing.
go
I
Earth.
swung. Swung, I
Oh,
swear.
do you declare his color?
Yeah, Earth.
Okay.
I need to check out my wind summons. I need to check out my Earth summons.
No
Figure
way.
out what I'm doing.
Yeah.
What is this? Look at my hand.
You suck.
I'm not gonna show you. Look at my hand.
I mean, you
I'm
need that
guessing
one
it-
card. There's that
guessing
one
it's
card
more.
you need.
Yeah, if I get that one card, we'll be fine.
What'd you get for sucking ass?
I'll swing with Camel Knot. After you. What is this? Wait, I gotta show the camera the hand.
Oh my god.
It's just ready.
God. Oh, my turn? Not even gonna attack? Okay.
Well, oh wait, isn't she? I thought she was still up.
No, he's dull. He was dull the entire time.
I didn't hear.
Are you
Oh,
attacking? Because it
yes.
would be this card. Holy shit.
I'm guessing you have a shit ton of dark cards. That's-
I have every single dark card in the deck in my hand, but guess what I drew? The one card that lets me play them.
that's great.
I'm still probably just gonna...
Do a thing.
That's hilarious.
I'm still just
How
gonna
does 18
tap
backup
2 to
sound?
play Tilka,
Yeah.
and then I'll swing with
you
Camel
can test
Knot.
out as you go.
He's gonna be
Sound
Earth
overkill.
forever, unless I say
Be
otherwise.
honest
There you
with
go.
me.
Yeah.
I mean, he's a little bit like a Lin, but whatever.
Yeah.
I have literally every card in the deck.
I guess I could have given her. Okay, she's getting brave attack.
Bye, brother.
God damn.
I swear to God, if... You know what I said I had all the dark cards in my hand?
You were wrong.
Totally lied, because there's one more in the deck.
Are you sure
Um,
that's all of them?
We're gonna crack Star Sybil to get Elden Arch on the field.
You just crack it or you get a card
6
on
or less, yeah.
6 or less? Okay.
Um,
I think I lose.
and then, because Tilka's on the field, we'll
So
toss...
remember those 1-drops that I passed you that
We'll toss... Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Nothing.
you were gonna use?
After you. Actually, Camel
Depending
Knot.
on what you were doing with those cockatrices, I
After you.
might need them.
What
I
is
think I have
this
a whole bunch of
fucking
them.
hand? Look at how black it is! Hey, once you go black, man, you never go back. Oh, a Bart's.
He has all the jobs.
I called a mistake on the Epic Game stream once, and I was so pissed because they didn't fix it. It completely would have changed the outcome of the game, and they didn't fix it. I was so upset. Please, at least I don't have to worry about drawing dark cards. 4 and 5 for Star Sybil. Get to search for category 11.
If there is one.
I don't know yet.
Or
Oh,
there
there is! There's a Moogle!
No.
He's 11.
Oh yeah, yeah. There you go.
I'm actually going to look for more, because I just went with the first one I found, and I feel like there's probably a better one. I could get more dark cards.
Oh, you might want it for
I could
her
get another
special.
Star Sybil.
No, you can't.
Why
Other
not?
than her.
Yeah. Oh, it is other than Star Sybil. I was so excited.
Like,
That
yeah.
I could use.
I think it's just going to be Moogle.
Yeah.
You're not gonna get an Elden
Trying
Arch,
to
so
think
you
what
can.
Earth Thunder
Will,
I could use
I already got one.
back.
Oh, in your hand?
Yeah, is that the one in my hand, or is that... No, that's not the one in my hand.
You have one in your hand. Okay.
I do have one in my hand.
Claw, so you
Okay.
really want
So you, I think you might just win.
No,
I'm
trying to
doing the
think of what
combo.
Earth
I'm gonna
Thunder
stop
can
attacking
use.
until I get the combo. By
Wait,
the way.
really?
I
Yep.
don't know much about the Earth.
I already
summons
lost, by the way,
because
'cause
as far as I'm
the
concerned,
combo
they're
is
all fight
required.
abilities.
You did lose?
No, for this to not be on the field.
Why?
Oh no, I have Star Sybil.
Problem
We're
is
good.
that's not
We're
helping
good.
my case
Okay,
right now.
after you.
No.
Why does it require
I was
you not to
basing
have
the
it on
idea-
the...
Moving on, Will. After you.
I was basing the idea off of my ability. I
Wait,
saw.
do I have 5 cards?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
I'm getting this friggin' combo.
So
Will.
going Earth. Let's say I pile into.
Do a thing. Do 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 do.
Even wind doesn't have much that I
Are you
need.
attacking it all?
Maybe. Let me
Maybe.
Just...
Do some power calculations.
So that's +2 and then +4.
So, 3.
So that's 6.
My
Oh,
only
you have
problem
Maria.
with
My bad.
wind is that there's no backups or forwards that support summons directly in wind that I know
A 2-cost
No.
haste with that's
The
11k.
final tech card with them.
Sure.
I can
I
think of
will
some tech
give
backups I can
Bart's
put in.
Brave.
Cool
I
beans.
can
Attack
think
with
of
soul.
one in particular that I know.
Oh!
Then.
Search for Moogle.
Search for a Moogle. Another Moogle.
I will attack with Bart's as well.
Let me shuffle first. I'm gonna get the other one, and I'm gonna search for the third and final Moogle. And then, oh, that's not it. That would have been really cool if it was it, though.
You keep on getting chaos.
Would
out.
you like to cut?
Nope.
Damn.
After you.
My
So
turn.
let's say I grab 3 of that.
1 and 2. Holy shit, my hand is full.
Well, you have to
Okay.
get Sin out. If you can survive with when he
2
deals you
bows.
damage.
8 and 9.
One more of this.
Oh, actually,
one
before
more
I do
of
that-
the
Wait,
other
why are
one.
you getting rid of that guy?
Ace tapped.
Okay.
Swing with Camel Knot for 10.
Why 10?
Or 9.
Okay.
That's a thing.
I guess block with Bart's.
Cool beans. Swing with Tilka for 5.
Oh, you're
No,
giving
no,
it
no,
more.
no, 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 no.
Yeah, I don't have to. I know what I'm doing, Brendan. Don't worry.
Are you pitching black?
Block with
Nope.
Angus.
Okay.
It doesn't matter. Elden Arch just returned to my hand. That's my hand, isn't it? Yeah, that's my hand. So this is what I'm pitching: 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 to play Sin.
Yep.
Sin kills everything, and
Oh.
deals me a point of damage.
With everything?
Everything.
Yeah, everything.
All forwards, all monsters. Ready? We're gonna toss Star Sybil onto the field with, or Elden Arch with Star Sybil, and then I end my turn.
Okay. So it's my turn?
Yep.
Yeah.
I am so close. So close.
So it goes to doing the thing?
I just need 6 more cards in my hand. Casually. Is there another Tilka in this deck?
I think so.
Or have I already pitched it? 1, 2. Is there a third?
Yeah.
I grab Angus.
Sounds good. Are you ending your turn?
Yes.
Yeah, you have to. 1 and 2. Need. Pass. 5 cards in hand. The next 2 cards can't be light or dark.
There's no light in that deck.
How many dark cards do you run? Do you know?
Just Sin, Elden Arch, and Camelot. And Chaos, that's it.
So it'd be another Elden Arch.
Wait, how many Elden Arches do you run?
3. It's just a 1.
No, we're good then.
Oh, because
We're good then. I think I'm guaranteed to win. Because I have a Commonwealth in my hand, an Elden Arch, and a Sin, and I have a Commonwealth in here.
Yep.
Do you run more than 2 Sins? Please say no.
Yes, I do.
So, you have a chance, Will.
After you.
Okay. Yes, I get to do the combo.
You've been wanting this ever since you saw it.
Elden Arch, take that extra turn, and then 8, 9.
Reverse that order.
I choose the order. It happens next turn.
Oh yeah, true enough.
To use Sin special,
Okay.
and then I pass
Sin
my
special
turn.
again?
I win the game at the end of your next turn.
Yeah.
At the end of my next turn. No, what is it? At the end of your next turn, if Sin is on the field, your opponent loses the game. So this is my next turn. I guess I'll tap this for Earth to play Mog onto the field. Oh, actually, I'll toss both of those, tap that to play Camel Knot to search for a dark card. Which I don't... Oh, I do have a Sin! And then I end
You
my...
want to go to shuffle your deck?
No, I end my turn and I win the game. That was a lot more fun. That was a lot more fun than I thought it would be.
Honestly, I started fun losing. I right from the start. This is what my first
I know.
hand was.
Oh my
Wait.
god, that starting hand was so bad.
Look at my starting hand.
I cannot believe I pulled
I
off
had
that
to
combo.
get rid of this hand.
That's amazing.
I cannot believe... Why would you get rid of that hand?
It's shit.
No, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it is
I
not.
can't play.
You could play the 4-cost wall.
Yeah, but
I'm
then
gonna
I have
mix
to.
up where these dark
I'd
cards
have,
go.
I'd have to wait until either one dies or I get a Cosmos.
I
or
cannot believe I got the combo off against an actual deck.
That's hilarious.
That's a great
Oh,
deck.
I'm definitely gonna be pointing that up on YouTube. That's fun.
That was pretty funny.
It did it.
It worked. I don't know how, but I got the Sin, Elden Arch, everything.
Yeah, you did it.
I don't know. I don't know.
I
how.
had. Shit
Oh god, that'll be hilarious. This is put on my YouTube. It's like, thank you. Just saying Elnard.
Oh, you
Beast
can
Warrior.
you can easily clickbait it. This beats Warrior of Light deck.
It's like what?
Found the best counter.
Yeah, best counter to Warrior of Light
Okay,
deck.
you don't
Yeah,
want
it's
too
this
soon. So.
giant pile of jank they click
I like
on.
that deck.
Otherwise,
That
I've been duped.
That deck is a lot of fun.
Or I can just go, this is really not clickbait. Warrior of Light triumphs. Nope.
Yeah, I gotta go.
No,
Yeah.
what's
I'm gonna
gonna
go
end up
home and then
happening
go to
is
work.
people are gonna click on that video saying, "Oh, it's the counter of Warrior of Light." They're gonna have so much fucking hate comments in the comments, being like, "You lying sack of
I could not
meat."
believe that worked so well. 5:01 in 28 minutes.
Oh,
No.
I can do
I leave
the
in 5
best
minutes. Okay.
synergized
Where am I
combo
going?
to go against Warrior of Light.
So walk that way. Got it.
Don't make fun out of it.
I
You're
cannot
already
believe I
gonna
got
get
that.
enough hate in the comments. Don't add a pun to that.
So I should walk that way.
I don't care. I'll figure it out. It's towards
Don't
Giant
make
Tiger.
me go on
Yeah.
there just to rage hate you because you put a pun in
I
that
cannot
goddamn
believe I
name.
got. We were talking about this when we first
Yeah.
saw Sin.
Yeah. And you gotta pull it off.
First time playing the. I'm never playing this deck again. I have a 100% win rate with the Sin Elden Arch combo.
You do that all the time.
I do.
Wow.
Totally worth it, guys.
Today I have a 100% win rate. I won one game. 100% win rate.
Yep.
Yeah.
100% win rate.
Really?
Yeah. You got a problem with my?
Really?
You got a problem with my win rate? Take it
Yeah.
up. Take it up with the camera. Evidence.
They didn't record the previous games.
In fact, I want to challenge you on that win rate because I think you're lying.
No, I gotta go.
He actually does have to go.
Actually, I do have to go.
Are
That's
you
a good one.
guys gonna do
That's-
well?
What? No, I don't.
No?
I have a job. Will does not.